We are the Pryors. 1 year ago, we bought our first home, and now we're creating a homestead down on Whispering Pines Lane. All homesteads have to begin somewhere, so here's our beginning. Join us as we learn. We'll share our homestead journey as well as cooking fun from my husband, who's a chef by trade, and me, a full-time mama. We believe it's better to start simple than to not start at all.
So I'm using wood screws so that if wood rots or falls apart or something breaks or I don't like the way it looks or I want to add to it, they're easy to just put in and take back out. If you make a mistake, if you're using nails, it's a lot harder. These are old vintage electric power tools. If I had a real skill saw, I could cut through this in 1 second. But you know what they say, poor craftsman blames his tools. The wood that I used were mainly 1.5 by 3s. I just felt like that would be a good solid frame, but not too big like a 2x4 or anything. And then the rest of it I just found laying in the basement. Previous owners had a bunch of projects they started and never finished. And I ran out of wood really quickly because I changed my design, but I can keep going because I'm just slapping it together with all this other extra wood. And with a little bit of house paint, it could be even more protected. Poultry netting staples. It's your basic poultry net staple.
Daddy, you're good at life.
You are good at life, Daddy.